I think a skincare routine does have a couple important requirements. It should cleanse skin. And you can use a hydrating gentle cleanser if you have sensitive skin, or you can use more of a foaming cleanser if you have oily skin. The second part of a routine would involve moisturizing. This is usually needed more so in the winter when you have colder, drier air. The third thing is sunscreen. This is super important. We usually recommend SPF 30 or more because this is going to decrease your risk of skin cancer, and it's also going to have an anti-aging effect. You're going to get less lines and wrinkles and fewer sunspots. If you're, let's say, 25 and older, you may want to consider a retinol. And retinol is really the ultimate anti-aging ingredient. It's a derivative of vitamin A and will also help fight lines and wrinkles.